talk about two areas you don't apply sealant while assembling or you are carrying out repair on your engine. There are two key places that you don't apply sealant while you are assembling your engine or when you are repairing. You are welcome to my channel today. The first one is when you are fixing the oil pump. Please don't apply sealant when you are fixing the oil pump. Whether you are repairing, whether you are assembling the engine, when it is time for you to fix the oil pump, don't apply sealant. Why? Because the sealant particle can block the passage of oil pump, and if that happens, you know the consequences. This may be the result or this may be the result. So while fixing your oil pump, don't apply sealant. If there is gasket, you can use gasket, and in most cases oil pump does not always require gasket, but if there is gasket in your engine, you can use gasket. Don't put sealant there. Putting sealant, you are putting your engine at risk because the particle can go ahead and block the passage of the oil passage, which is dangerous for your engine. Which one? The second one is the water pump. While fixing your water pump, don't apply sealant. The same thing that happens in oil pump can happen. These particles can go ahead to block the waterways, which will cause issues for your engine. So in your water pump, use gasket, don't use sealant. See these key areas? Don't use sealant, use gasket either. You know, there's some places that a sealant can play the role of a gasket. But when it comes to these key areas, you don't use sealant there at all. Use only the gasket. Use appropriate gasket for that very place, for your oil pump and for your water pump. Another thing I'm going to mention is when you're putting your valve cover. In most cases, your valve cover always comes with rubber seal. Do you know why? Because of the temperature of the cylinder air. That is why there always be a rubber in your valve cover. What should you do? What you have to do is that if you decide, you can put a sealant with the rubber, but in most cases you don't need to put a sealant with the rubber gasket. Why? Because the rubber has the ability to compress itself. So why applying sealant again? But if you want to put sealant, fine, you can put sealant on it. But when you are putting the sealant, you should know the type of sealant you have to put. I would suggest RVT sealant is best for you to put on the valve cover because it can work with rubber and other materials. These are the areas that you need to be cautious gently while applying sealant. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, Mr. Engine. Thank you.